gonna step right into it. An advice I just gave my friend. Hey. The line is different in my head. I'm a coward and I know it. In the corner, always playing it safe. Today I'm trying something else. I put my fears on the shelf, turn the voices down and I'm safe and sound. And I know I'm walking a new path now. I'm just gonna spread my wings. You know, from this day on I'm gonna live my dreams. Today is my lucky day. Want something new to happen, you gotta change that old pattern. It's not a hard thing to understand. No. Some people waste their lives doing things they just don't like. But you can fail in doing what you hate. Why not try to stick to doing what you love? Today I'm trying something else. I put my fears on the shelf, turn the voices down and I'm safe and sound. And I know I'm walking a new path now. I'm just gonna spread my wings. You know, from this day on I'm gonna live my dreams. Today is my lucky day. Today is my lucky day. Today is my lucky day. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Today is my lucky day. Oh, here's a little story for you. Let's sit right down and talk it through. You found a little love and give it back again. Is it supposed to be this hard? 'Cause you're tired of sitting here on your own. Yeah, you're tired of the feeling that you need someone. You found your peace no matter where you are. You'll find happiness somewhere. You will make it back out there. Oh, don't you let your heart grow cold, waiting in line for something that you know. Oh, you try to find someone new. Every time your dreams been put on hold, the story of a life starts to unfold. Many lessons learned, but you still get burned. Do you ever look up in the sky sometimes, wondering where you are, wishing you could be right here? Do you ever wanna start all over again? You find happiness out there. You will make it back, I swear. Oh, don't you let your heart grow cold, waiting in line for something that you know. Oh, you try to find someone new. Every time your dreams been put on hold, the story of our life starts to unfold. Many lessons learned. Oh, don't you let your heart grow cold, waiting in line for something that you know. Oh, you try to find someone new. Every time your dreams been put on hold, the story of a life starts to unfold. Many lessons learned, but you still get burned.
So you think you were right? Bring it on, prove me wrong. Go put up a fight. The way I do will knock you down. You know there's a wearing you out. Keep on keeping on every night, way up in the clouds. Where do will knock you down? You know there's an ocean between us. Don't go cry about it, don't go cry about it. You want me to take you in my trust. Oh no, you know that ain't the way. Oh no, there's nothing new in this game. You got to give it up, give it up. But you got to give it up, give it up. You got to give it up, give it up. No, 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 give it up, give it up. You know there's an ocean between us. You want me to take you in my trust. You got to give it up. You know that ain't the way. It ain't the way. Oh no, 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 no. There's nothing new in this game. You got to give it up. You got to give it up, give it up. But you got to give it up, give it up. You got to give it up, give it up. No, 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 give it up, give it up. You got to give it up, give it up. Give it up, give it up.
A man overboard. We've been here before. A long story short, you walked out the door. Gotta get over.